Yeah, good morning, friends. Vanakkam. After a long time, couple of days, 2 3 days back only, last week only we had, I guess. We tried of having live session. Just a minute, I will post our link in the Telegram channel and come back. Hmm, where else I need to put? Okay, let me put it in my WhatsApp as well. Yeah, good morning, Bharat. We were expecting some kind of resistance in Nifty today at around 17,390. That is what exactly has happened. 17,385 is the high. Now it may touch the lower end, that is yesterday's low, 17,215, I guess. Before even going into that, let's see the chart, how it has been. Yeah, this is the chart, and not sure what happened. Actually speaking, I have drawn a channel over here. So this must come and touch maybe yesterday's low or even break yesterday's low and stay for some time, and then it could climb back. So that's the reason I have given one Nifty call, but at a very low price. We need to buy only when it comes to that price, or else we need to ignore that. Let's see. Mm, Good morning, Ravi, Bipin, Ayush, Balbir, Rajkumar. Good morning, everyone. Time to take P now, 17,100 at 33. Uh, I don't know whether it's time to take or not. I am not going with P. I know when to catch C's, so I am waiting with patience for my levels on C to be triggered. That's it. 2 days in a row, both days I have mentioned in learning from yesterday's market in the opening view, saying never go against the trend, especially when markets are in bull grip. My statement holds to be simple, but it means a lot. This is the one which I have given 17,300, but at a very low rate. I don't know whether that rate will come or not, but if Nifty reaches my lower end and trades below that for a couple of minutes, definitely my rate will come. Good morning, Ravi and Bharat. Actually speaking, 37,800 put was a good buy around 165, 170 levels. But I missed it over there exactly when this crossover happened. I thought that after crossover, some bit of jitteriness will come and I can get it somewhere around 170, but it didn't came to 170. If I would have taken it, I would have definitely recommended to my members also. But anyways, I have a habit of not rushing behind anything, and I have taught that to my members as well. I know my members will stay with patient as long as they get my calls or they get my levels. Holding BHEL 60 call. Let us see. Before that, I will open my regular links, which I commodity links. These are my commodity links where I used to see. Once it is done, I will look after all your. Very nice move on Bank Nifty, but I missed it. I missed it in the sense I haven't got the levels. Doesn't mean I haven't picked it, but I expected some level, but it didn't came to my level. All these are set and done. Now we will move on to my stuff, and let me open this chart and whatever one which people asked, BHEL. BHEL technically negative. Let's see what my default setup says. Exactly reversing from the zones of 200 moving average. Technically negative. I don't know when the results are scheduled, whether it is out or not, I don't know. Only results, that two positive results, can take the stock up, or else it will come and test the 20 moving average of 51. That's for BHEL. And any negative impact on our markets because of US speaker visiting Taiwan as China wants Taiwan. See, there might be some negative impact. We don't know what is there in US speaker's mind or what is there in China. Uh, what is his name? I don't even remember his name. China president's name. Whatsoever it is. Uh, I very well know that we can't judge their mind. We can go only as per charts. Our chart says market is going to move up. That's it. Yeah. This is Nifty charts for you. There might be some exhaustion at higher levels. Yeah, there is some exhaustion at higher levels. But as long as 17,154 is holding, I won't worry at all. Even if 17,154 goes, There is a rock bottom support at 200 moving average, which is at 17,012. Okay, I will never bother about what is happening across the world. So, you also please have a habit of following the charts. Don't go as per news flow. Whatever happens will happen. We can't stop that. Um, Bank Nifty 37,800 say support le gaya. Balbir, I don't know Hindi, Balbir. Please message your comments in English alone. Rajkumar, Nifty will fill gaps as we see one side rally. Any retracement will come. Yes, definitely a retracement will come. For that retracement also, there should be some news trigger which should come, like the one which earlier Pawan has said. Maybe US visit towards at China ahead of some like discomfort between China and Taiwan. Maybe also a news trigger, or else on 5th of August we have RBI monetary policy. So what if RBI comes, governor comes and hikes another 50 basis points this time, which is not expected by anyone. So there might be some trigger, but until that trigger comes, it will be on the upside. Definitely it will fill gaps, definitely fall will come, definitely retracement will come, but we don't know what is the exact high. Only if we know the exact high, we may able to draw a figure retracement, and we can judge what kind of retracement which we get. Lupin call at 24 today results holding it. Should I hold or exit? Actually speaking, Lupin, I have also given a call to my members. So I will not be able to recommend too much on that, but I will give you the levels. You can judge whether to hold or not based on that. Yeah, the charts almost poised negative. Everything is showing towards downside. Stochastic MACD on the zero line, exactly in the zero line. Maybe it's +2 right now. We don't know whether it will come to -2 or not. And RSI is also below 50, which is also a negative sign. But the only positive factor which I see is it has signaled a super trend buy, and it is consolidating for a long time. Almost 15 days he is consolidating. And moreover, since last quarter results, the stock fell badly, and it has been consolidating for more than almost 2.5 months. June full, July full, and here in May also we have some couple of days. So almost 2.5 months we are consolidating. There are bright chances this time, if results are not very bad, even if he meets the expectations, that is well and good. It should not be very bad. Even if he meets the expectation, the minimum target which I have is the 100 moving average, which is 680. I think today is the results. Next, view on AU Bank. How can people asking the same questions on the stocks which I have mentioned? AU Bank, actually we haven't got entry at all for my members. AU Bank, actually again saying super trend has signaled a buy only yesterday. So when it signals a buy, minimum next 5 days, either it will be continuing on the same trend or it will be under consolidation, but definitely it will not fall very big. So you can keep holding with the stop loss of 590 on closing basis. If the stock closes below 590, you may consider exiting. If not, you can hold on for higher levels. Now if you ask me higher levels, just give me a minute. 626, above 626 he will easily do 650, easily. I am saying easily. Remember, remember that word. Okay. Just give me a minute. I am posting some promotional updates in our Telegram, and then yeah. Now we will move on to the next query. Shall I go for BHEL? Say BHEL levels has been already answered. If yes, then which CE I can buy? Yatin, you are literally asking me to give a call on BHEL free of cost in our channel over here. That is not good. My calls will come only in my Telegram channel and in my WhatsApp, not beyond that. So, if you want to know about the levels of BHL, then rewind a bit and listen my audio. I have explained it for one of our member who asked earlier. Actually speaking, BHL is negative. Rohan, you do one thing. You can ping me in WhatsApp at my number. Let me give my number. Yeah. Now, Rohan's question is answered. Um, can I enter McDowell today or still in downfall? McDowell already given a sell signal as per super trend last week itself. I have already told even during last week our McDowell's challenge also I said that we are completely going against the trend, but my logic says it will open on the green note. It worked well for us, and see where how it has fell down from there. Okay, my logic on McDowell's, I don't rely on charts for McDowell's because he is a drunkard. I don't believe on charts, especially for when it comes to McDowell's. I will buy on a weekend, buy on a Thursday and sell on a Friday. If Friday is a holiday, then I'll buy on Wednesday and sell on Thursday. That's it. Timing alone matters here. Where what time I am buying and what time I am selling. That alone matters. Okay. Right. Next thing. Yes, sir. Aftermarket. What? Yes, sir. Aftermarket. I don't know. Holding. Let's see. Oh, okay. You are saying about Lupin results. Okay, good morning, sir. Akhil, sir, you didn't check expired trap position telegram link in your YouTube. It is expired. Now, Akhil, I'm not able to get what you are trying to say. Better if you message me in my number, I will uh, get some clarity and then check what you are trying to say. If possible, if you can send some screenshot which will make me understand very easily. If my guess is right, you are saying that some of my Telegram link has got expired and I need to check, but I don't know what you are trying to say. What link is that? Please do the needful in my posting personal message in my WhatsApp. Akhil, I exited 3k profits in morning at 20 today. See, Wipro, my target is not yet reached, bro. My target is 444. That is what I said. I am not the kind of person who changes my view often like a chameleon uh, for 100 points up move or 100 points down move in Nifty. When I say some view, something I will change my view only when something strange happens. Even today morning, one of our member in this session itself, one of our member asked, saying that it's time to buy P. I said it's up to you because I'm not worried about P. I know when to catch C. That is how my approach will be. Only if Nifty closes below 200 moving average, I will change my view. Or else I am in for 17,800 this month. The view has been posted in the first, I mean, on the first day of expiry, I guess. I mean, last Friday. If not last Friday, it would be on Monday this week in my opening view. What about Tata Motors? Tata Motors, my stock, my target is 600 plus. I don't require any charge for it. Tata Motors, when it comes to 350, you need to blindly buy it. When it comes to 600, you need to blindly sell it. Any close above 606, you can buy it again for target of 900. Oh my god. Nifty climbs from 67, bloody. Okay, anyways, whatever the level which I don't have any craze of chasing or running behind anything over there in markets. So I'm waiting. The good part is we will see some intraday weakness only if we trade below 17,215. Or else, whatever happens now, we will see a sharp bounce by end of the day. Can we take a hero or zero call? Actually, let me give this call first to my premium members. Yeah, have given a hero or zero call for my back members. 38 200 call between 80 to 90 is a good buy. It's a hero or zero call. If anybody wants, you can also try. If not, please ignore. As of now, we are weak. If day's low is not getting broken again, I think Bank Nifty will support broader markets. Let me see what is the day's low. Yeah, this is the day slow, 750 almost. Yeah, 748.65. Even if it breaks also, if it climbs back again, that will be very good. Let's see how it goes. Ravi, you have posted some image. I don't know what it is. Okay, barring this, if you have any questions, you may ask me. Let me pull out Nifty charts and explain something for you. Okay. Why I'm so bullish on Nifty? Nifty 50. Yeah, this is Nifty charts for you. Let me do one thing. I will change it as my default view. Sorry, normal view. The bank Nifty. What happened to the indices? Okay. Anyways, forget about everything. Just see how it has gone from here. I will draw a channel. I think the same has been explained in our YouTube also this week. Perfectly inside the channel. Have you seen this? Yeah. If I extend it also, yeah, this is how we need to extend it, right? We are perfectly inside the channel for until last Friday. It has come out of the channel on Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, he is completely staying on the above side, higher side. So there are chances by today or tomorrow or even on Friday, it may come and test this higher end of the channel and then climb back. And moreover, I will also draw the resistance line. Why I said 16,390 mark today? It's a perfect double top. Okay, this particular area you need to remember 416. But barring that, 17,390. Here it is almost 17,377. So if I bring this down line down to the down here, it is a perfect double top. That is the reason we are facing some congestion over here. If this congestion area is taken out, for sure we will have a target of 17,800. This is what I have said couple of minutes back when some of the members asked. Until it holds 17,000, or even if you want the exact number, 200 moving average, he will definitely go and hit this level this month. What we are seeing here? Aluminium is weak. Zinc is managing to stay above, but still I feel that it will be weak. Copper, natural gas is already weak. Natural gas could be a good buy somewhere around 600, but the stop loss should be 12 points. 588 will be your stop loss. On the higher side, it will be super target. I can't give the targets for you. As always, targets are only for my premium members. Oh, it's saying thank you. Okay, thanks. You are most welcome, Ravi. See, I don't know what the meaning for these emojis and all. That's why I have asked. All I know is one smiling emoji, and the other one is crying, crying stuff. Sometimes the red color one, which shows the anger in face. That's it. That is also one of the primary reason I don't use any kind of emojis in my Telegram channel or even in WhatsApp. But that is my uniqueness. I don't want to give up my uniqueness. Put buy order at 82 for 37 400, 38 200. Yep. Okay. Remember that is a hero or zero call, so you should not be asking for any stop loss kind of stuff. And even if you ask, I will not be able to respond. What is this fellow saying? 16,000. Sorry. I'm still 16 saying 16, 16, 16. We are at 17. 17,250 is the low. So in the next round, if we break that low, we could test our level. Good morning, TVRT. I think it is Ravi. Uh, Commodity moves will be little bit stagnant until equity market, or even at least till Europe opens. Morning sessions commodities will be literally boring. So if you people have any queries, you may ask. Bharti is holding strong even in this red market. Red market in the sense almost we are at down somewhere around 80 points, right? 345. Yeah, we are almost down 80 points, but this fellow Bharti is up 5 points. Actually, yesterday also we had a strong conviction that he will rock. That is the reason I suggested all my members to keep holding Bharti despite yesterday my stop loss hits. Kotak is showing major weakness, but actually speaking, this weakness could be utilized for taking long on Kotak. Let me check what is the strike price which could be available at a better price. Kotak 1900 call. Oh, even this is at 31. That's not good. We booked the profits in Bandhan Bank today. Bandhan 300 call. We were holding it from 6 rupees. Bajaj Finance. These are all the calls which I have given during this month as golden eggs. Bajaj Finance we booked. Bandhan we booked. Reliance we booked. HDFC 2500 we already booked, but couple of members who are willing to play a 0 or 0 they are holding. AU Bank didn't give opportunity. IOC we are holding. NMDC we booked. Jindal we booked. Voltas we booked. RO Pharma haven't given opportunity. 16800 call of Nifty and 37,000 call of Bank Nifty we booked. Power Grid didn't give opportunity. HCL didn't give opportunity. Bharti we were holding. Amar Raja also didn't give opportunity. Intellect gave opportunity. Lupin missed my entry by 25 points. No, 0.25 by say. Maybe it may get executed today. IEX didn't give opportunity. L&T and FSL we are holding. Kotak 2000 is very far strike, sir. Kotak 2000 is very far. Click here, sir. What I am saying, where to click? I don't know. Are you asking about the promotional link of mine? What is the join immediately works? This is also working. This is also working. Now I am seeing a call in Wipro for 470 target in one of the brokerage company. Remember, these fellows will pick calls only when it gains momentum. Akhil, you better ping me in WhatsApp. My number is given above, and please explain what you are trying to say. But according to my stuff, all the links are working correctly. I don't know whether you are clicking on some wrong link or not. But if you ping me separately, I can at least guide you if you are wrong. If I am wrong, I will try to correct it. Come on. Bank Nifty from 85 to 105. This is what I expected. Because banks are strongest of the lot, guys. Strongest of the lot as of now. Today they might be little bit underperforming a bit, but they are strong according to me. Hmm. Your view on crude oil, please. Crude oil, like I said earlier, now is not the time to trade. Actually speaking, crude oil, my positional target was 7,600 and 7,800. Yesterday it made a high of 7,590, sorry, 87, I guess. Let me see the 15 minutes chart. It's nicely trying to move on the higher side, but higher side also it may get attracted with shorts again. Actually speaking, I have given a positional long in crude oil at 7,320, suggested to buy between 7,320 to 40 for targets of 7,600 and 7,800. Have given a 140 point stop loss, 7,180 as my stop loss. It came till 7,587 yesterday, and I suggested my members to book when it showed 180 points, 190 points profit. So for me, the call is closed now, but the target which I said is still open. It may come after a knee-jerk reaction. So at present, I'm not going to do anything over there. You want Nakri? Nakri, Nakri, Nakri. Once again, a channel breakout. See, charts are very simple, guys. When we think that it is simple, it is definitely simple. See this. Yeah, exactly inside the channel, on a verge of a breakout. If it breaks out above this range, 4,800 is my target. That's for Nakri. Godrej Consumer Products. Godrej Consumer Products. almost like a flag and pole kind of setup. Pole, this is like a flag, but instead of confusing with this, we'll move on to my default setup where we will get everything exactly quoting. I mean, today it touched 200 moving average. If results are good, for sure it will fire. Minimum 900, 950 also on the cards if results are good. The only possibility is if results are bad, then it will go to 800. Remember, it's a high beta pick, especially when a result comes, he will react very wild. Luckily, we exited our ICICI Bank in the morning itself. Very good trade, actually speaking, for us. We got a decent entry and we got a decent exit also. Yesterday, during last half an hour fall, I suggested that this is purely related to expiry. Don't worry at all, just take ICICI Bank as BTST. Today morning, he opened at 817. We directly booked 4 to 5 rupees profits. Bank Nifty, actually speaking, broke the day's low. But if it climbs again higher, then nothing to worry. Seventeen 300 call. Banks are a bit underperforming today. That is the reason we are seeing some sell-offs. But never mind. IT is backing up to an extent. If banks take a U-turn, definitely we will climb much higher. But not sure what will happen because of the RBI monetary policy ahead. Just 2 days we have. So guys, any questions or queries do you have? Seventeen 100 put option. This was the one a member asked me when I started the session 1 hour before. He asked me whether to buy. It's time to buy, and he said it was around 33. Where it has moved from 33, it has moved to 38. So a hero or zero of 12k hit, then 3x, otherwise 4. I don't know what you are saying as 4. I think you are saying about 38 200 call. Balrampur, we will see the charts. Actually, I have seen the charts long time back. Now I will see it. Charts showing weakness. Exactly on the 5th day. I mean, yeah, it's 4th day only, right? Results must meet expectations. If not, it will go for a toss. 20 moving average test is definitely possible, and it is a 1 to 3 pattern for me. First, last 3 candles. So if result goes negative, then this will crack badly. Badly in the sense minimum to 100 moving average, and then it will start climbing on the higher side because of this super trend buy signal. So as of now, taking position is not advisable. If you have taken position on call side or on long side, then you are supposed to wait and see whether it is breaking the super trend buy level. Actually speaking, banks are providing wonderful support. crude is slowly climbing up. After the scandal completion, we may get to know. After the scandal completion, in the next half an hour, the stop loss will be 7417. Based on your risk reward, you can take entry. It will move on the higher side. Wow, superb move on copper. 47. I think all metals are, yeah, zinc, copper, aluminum, all three metals are showing signs of up move. In all three metals, we have a positive divergence, meaning they will definitely move higher over a period of time. Have we tested the lows? Almost near. What is the price is quoting? 56. My level still didn't come. Right. Guys, if you don't have any questions, we will wind up today's session. We have done for 1 hour. Couple of minutes back, when Nifty was quoting around 17,500, just a minute, guys. Oh, this is not 5 million. Yeah, I have placed my order. We want Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra. Just a moment. Actually, post bad set of results, also the stock has not fell down drastically. It is under consolidation for a while. I believe this time he will break out on the higher side. If you can maintain a stop loss of this low 965, okay, 965. The current market is at 1035, right, which is almost 70 points stop loss. If you can maintain this stop loss 70 points, then go long for 170 points, target on the higher side. 1194 will be your target. This 100 moving average will be your target. Last 4 months in a row he has been down below the super trend. Now it's time for it to turn above the super trend. Definitely 1194 will hit. Right, hope we don't have any questions, so we'll wind off today's session. We'll catch up tomorrow if my time permits. So going forward, normally we don't have any specific time for our YouTube live sessions. As and when I get time, I will pitch in and I will log in, create a link and post over there in our Telegram channel as well. If you people are free and available that time to join, you may join. Have a good day, friends. Have a trade safe. Levels are 17,215 and 17,395 on Nifty. Any close above this will give you trend on that particular direction. If it closes down, then there will be definite possibility of testing 200 moving average. But if it closes high, 17,500 is a real possibility. Bye.